Not every fox wears the same coat, and this one proves just how creative nature can be. Meet the cross fox, one of the most striking yet rarely seen predators in North America. Much less common than the typical red fox, this majestic creature rules the frozen wilderness of Canada and Alaska. Its fur is a breathtaking masterpiece, a beautiful smoky mix of deep charcoal black, burnt orange, and silver accents. Look closely at its shoulders. The dark intersecting lines running down its back form a distinctive cross-shaped marking, the very pattern that gave it its name. No two coats are identical. Every single cross fox carries a slightly different pattern, making each one completely unique. In a world of endless white snow, this is nature's ultimate piece of living art.